Hey guys, Patrick with A1 Vacuum and Sewing here. Actually here to show you guys the Lindhaus DCS system. This is the technology that I was talking about in my last video that we're very excited about. One of the challenges I've always had in the store is on the cleaning side, I use all the products that we sell. If I don't like them, I don't sell them. But one of the products I wasn't using was carpet cleaners, just because water and carpet wasn't something that really excited me that much, but they were the best solution that I was aware of at the time, and I do believe that the Royals that we were selling were the best available. That said, I got introduced to this product a couple of weeks ago, and it's an entirely new concept. It's called encapsulation technology, and the long and short of it is, when you use this product, you vacuum your carpet, you get the solids out of the carpet. That means if you have pet stains, you'd blot up the pet stains, or you'd treat the solid pet stains, like get those up and out of the carpet. And then you treat the carpet with their cleaning product called Oxygen. And they also have a stain treatment called Pure Power that you can use with this technology as well. And that basically breaks down the stain, gets rid of the stain, and then it encapsulates what is left. So you use the DCS to basically scrub that, agitate it, and then once everything's done, it dries in about an hour, much faster. You don't have that like 1 to 2 day dry time that you experience if you really saturate a carpet with a carpet cleaner. And then once you are done, you'd run the vacuum again, and it's going to pull up the polymer that is left that has encapsulated the rest of those stains. So I'm going to actually demo it for you here. I'm a little nervous because I picked a very dirty section of carpet. This is an old greasy stain that has been in this store probably for 20 years. I am actually going to treat that both with Oxygen and Pure Power. Basically, I'm going to come over, and it doesn't take a significant amount of the cleaning product. We're not soaking the carpet. We are just getting enough of the solution onto it to help us basically break down those stains. I could have been a little better prepared and actually pump this up enough beforehand. And if you can see, it's just laying down fine mist. And we're just doing little 5 by 5 foot section of carpet here. And then given this large greasy stain, I am gonna pre-treat it. Same way you would your laundry, etc. We're gonna hit that too, just to break that down. And let's see what we're actually capable of doing on the carpet here. And hopefully this works. We're doing that video. I'll do the video. That's okay. Jeannie will help me. I don't need the embroidery in it. No. We'll fast forward this part of the video. Dude, that is a mess. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry for the next hour or so, then we'll run the vacuum cleaner over it. We're gonna show you kind of before and after results so you can see how that actually worked, but thank God it did. I don't know if you guys can see that. That big greasy stain that we've never been able to get out with any kind of carpet cleaner actually has already more or less disappeared, but that technology is basically gonna bind that stain in a polymer that we'll vacuum up in about an hour, hour and a half. And then we'll show you those results. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, Patrick back here. It's been literally 40 minutes maybe. And I actually just sold my first one because a customer was here watching that demo. So in the time it took me to sell the DCS and kind of walk her through it, this is actually totally dry. There is natural denatured alcohol, food grade alcohol in the product that helps it dry, so it dries significantly faster than straight water. We're going to go ahead and vacuum the floor. So, I mean, you guys can see before and after, it is brighter. We got rid of that stain. I think I probably could have worked on it a little bit more than I did. Even you can see kind of the terminus of where I'd worked on that stain. Amazing results and an amazing technology. I think, as I've mentioned a couple of times now, I think this will displace the need for carpet cleaners in our store. I've got a pre-sale package together. Basically, you're looking at $3.99 for the whole package. It's a little bit more than you'd spend on the carpet cleaners. But keep in mind, longer warranty, Italian rather than a Chinese-made product, cleaning product that's not putting water down into your carpet, and something that you can use whenever you wish. Unlike carpet cleaners, which you're only really supposed to use somewhere every 4 to 8 months, you can use this anytime you have a stain, anytime you want to clean a high traffic area in your house. The gentleman that sells them to me basically tells me he does the traffic ways through his house once a month, and it's completely rated as safe by the Carpet and Rug Institute for that. So come on in, we can demo the product for you, and it's something that we're really excited about.